Good morning, everyone. So this year marks Google's 20th anniversary.
With Google Home Hub, we've redesigned Google's most helpful services like Search, YouTube, Maps, Calendar, and Photos, so they're easily controllable with your voice and provide glanceable help. We incorporated soft rounded corners and premium materials, including our own custom fabrics. You can also choose from 4 beautiful colors to complement any room. The elegant floating display is big enough so that you can see things even from across the room, but it's small enough to fit in any space in your home. We also consciously did not put a camera on Hub so that it was comfortable to use in the private spaces of your home, like your bedroom. We wanted to make sure that Hub is not a bright glowing screen in your home. So we made sure that Hub can respond automatically to the ambient light in the room. Finally, we also wanted Hub to be a communal device, one that works for everyone in your home. So we trained Hub on Google's industry-leading speech recognition technology. By using voice match, Hub is able to recognize who is speaking to it, and it's able to provide a personalized experience for each and every user in your home.
With Hub, I can just say, "Hey Google, good morning."
Good morning, Mark. The time is 9 a.m. Currently in San Francisco, it's 64 and sunny. The best way to get to work by car is via US 101 South and will take 45 minutes. There are 11 entries in your calendar. By the way, remember to pick up eggs for dinner tonight.
Because Hub recognizes my voice, it tells me everything I need to know while I'm finishing up my cup of coffee. Technology can make our lives easier and more fun. But sometimes it's really hard to disconnect and enjoy time with friends and family. Hub can help with that too. Just put Hub into downtime mode, and it won't interact with anyone in the house except for those critical things like alarms. With filters, you can ensure that everyone in the home is enjoying family-friendly content.
With Hub, we're introducing Home View. With a swipe down from the top of the screen, you can bring up a simple dashboard. The dashboard shows you the state of your entire home at a quick glance and provides you quick access to all your devices. And we're providing the same level of control even if you're not near your Hub. We've redesigned the Google Home app to be the mobile controller for your smart home. It has the same Home View dashboard as Hub. So now you can control all your devices from any phone, even when you're not at home. Now, with Nest devices, we have all the tools in place to help take the experience of a thoughtful home to the very next level. So we made sure that Hub was deeply integrated with Nest devices, like Nest Camera, Nest Thermostat, and even Hello Doorbell. So for instance, if you're having dinner and someone happens to ring your doorbell, Hub will automatically show you who's at the front door. Home View lets you control over 200 million devices from over 1,000 brands, many of them in your home today. So now, with a simple tap or with your voice, you can control your dish hopper DVR, your Chromecast, your Vizio TV, and even your Philips Hue light bulb. You can pre-order Google Home Hub on the Google Store today for $149. And it's also available on October 22nd at retail locations here in the US, UK, and Australia.
And today, we're sharing a new chapter for our vision for Chrome OS with the launch of Google Pixel Slate.
We combine the helpful elements of all of these devices to create a modern computing experience people have been asking for. We designed Pixel Slate to be both thin and light. It's crafted with beautiful lines and rounded edges in a stylish midnight blue. It has 293 pixels per inch. That's 6 million pixels for the sharpest picture in the category. Now, a brilliant display doesn't mean much without great sound. So with Pixel Slate, we've positioned the speakers on the front of the device so they can direct stereo sound towards you instead of out towards the walls or the floor. We're bringing some of that same innovative engineering to Pixel Slate's 8-megapixel front-facing and rear-facing cameras. Both cameras incorporate our machine learning algorithms, so you can take great photos, including portrait mode. We've also designed the front-facing camera to be perfect for video chat. It has a wide-angle lens, so you can fit everyone in the frame, and a sensor with larger pixels, which allows for excellent low-light performance. Pixel Slate represents a new chapter for Chrome OS. The UI is now optimized to be simple and easy to use on a touchscreen. It's a Chrome OS experience that's meant to be held in your hands. And at the same time, it gives you a full desktop experience, not one designed for a phone. You can easily multitask with features like split screen, which lets you seamlessly shift between work and play. And now, with Pixel Slate, the Google Assistant is even more deeply integrated within Chrome OS. Simply use your voice, and the Assistant can help you find a restaurant, dictate an email, or play your favorite show. So we created the Pixel Slate keyboard, the perfect companion to Pixel Slate. The keyboard connects to Pixel Slate in a snap. No pairing or charging needed. Just connect it and start typing. Pixel Slate comes in several configurations, starting at $5.99. Pixel Slate keyboard is $199, and Pixelbook pen, now in matching Midnight Blue, is $99. All three will be available later this year on the Google Store and at major retailers in the US, Canada, and the UK.
Finally, it's time to talk about phones. Google Pixel 3 is designed from the inside out to be the smartest, most useful device in your life.
Pixel 3 comes in 3 colors: just black, clearly white, and a new color, which is not pink.
The new Pixel comes in 2 display sizes: the 5.5-inch Pixel 3 and the 6.3-inch Pixel 3 XL. Both of them share the same features, but we know users who want a bigger phone really want a bigger screen. So we've designed Pixel 3 XL's screen to extend all the way to the upper corners, giving users an edge-to-edge viewing experience with some extra useful space at the top.
Our front-firing stereo speakers are 40% louder and richer than last year, perfect for a video call or for playing music by the pool.
Everyone raves about the Pixel camera, and today, the smartest camera gets even better with the Pixel 3. You can still miss the perfect shot if you don't hit the shutter at exactly the right moment. Top Shot solves that problem. Top Shot automatically captures alternate shots in HDR+. So if your timing wasn't perfect, it'll suggest a better one. You can also scroll through the alternates and save one of those instead.
And then there's Super Res Zoom. Anyone who's tried to take a photo at a concert knows that phone cameras have terrible zoom. Instead of shooting a grainy photo, Pixel 3 shoots a burst of photos, each a bit different, taking advantage of the natural tiny movements of your hand. And you can guess what happens next. We run the variations through a merging algorithm to create a beautiful, zoomed-in shot, so you can get closer to the details and frame your shot the way you want.
Another feature that we're really excited about is Night Sight. Night Sight works so well, you'll never use your flash again. In extreme low light, we turn to machine learning to choose the right colors based on the content of the image. These shots are completely untouched.
So we added a second camera on the front that captures 184% more of the scene than iPhone XS. Now you can fit everyone in the shot without a selfie stick or unusually long arms like mine. Just zoom out. The difference is striking. You aren't just getting more people in the frame, you're getting more details.
We've evolved AR stickers to what we now call Playground and built it into both the front and rear cameras. Characters can now also respond to your actions and facial expressions.
This year, we integrated Google Lens directly into the Pixel 3 camera. Point it at a takeout menu, and Lens will pull out the phone number to call. Point at a movie poster to click through to the URL.
So here's a quick list of some of the other features you'll see in our demo area later.
Photo booth mode automatically snaps photos with a smile or when you make a funny face. No shutter button needed.
With motion autofocus, just tap on people, puppies, or anything else that won't hold still, and they'll stay in focus as they move around the frame.
We made a few enhancements to portrait mode. You can edit the depth of field in a portrait. You can also change the focal subject of the photo, or make the color pop.
And one of the best aspects of Pixel 3 is free unlimited storage at original quality. You'll never have to worry about storing, syncing, or finding your photos. And we're going even further to help you with phone calls with our new call screen feature. When you get that call and you can't or don't want to pick up, just tap the screen call button, and your phone will answer for you and ask who's calling and why. As you can see here, the conversation is transcribed in real time on your screen. Call Screen launches today with Pixel 3 in the US and comes to the entire Pixel family next month.
So we've developed a feature we call Flip to Shush, an easy gesture to minimize distractions. Just turn your phone upside down on the table, and your Pixel will take the hint and mute sounds and notifications. And finally, Pixel 3 includes our new Titan security chip.
We have one last thing to show you, the new Pixel Stand. As a wireless charger, Pixel Stand is best in class. It charges your Pixel 3 super fast, even through cases.
Pixel 3 is available for pre-order now, starting at $7.99. And Pixel Stand is $79. Pixel 3 will arrive on October 18th in the US through Verizon and unlocked on the Google Store and Project Fi. On November 1st, it will be available in 12 more markets, including 4 new ones this year: France, Ireland, Japan, and Taiwan.
So that's the new Pixel 3.
Really appreciate you being here with us today. Thank you very much. Have a great day.